Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. So I was just looking through my email. I'm always looking at my Grove Collaborative emails that come in. So I'm going to share with you guys a really hot deal for new time customers. So with this deal, you need to place your first order and you're going to get a Mrs. Meyer's set completely free with your $20 order. So I'm going to share with you guys the deal I worked up to where you can get $61 worth of products for just $22.49. So I think that this can make a really nice Mother's Day gift. So maybe you can get one for yourself and then you'll get one for your mom too. So I'm just gonna share with you guys the deal. And if you wanna take advantage of this deal, there'll be a link below for you guys to go ahead and sign up. And this is how you're going to get the free gift. So I'm just going to share with you guys what you're going to be able to get for $22.49 shipped. So this is a really good deal. Okay, so the deal is when you spend $20 or more on your first order, you're going to get a free Mrs. Meyer's set. So what you're gonna get is this Grove Collaborative stoneware tray. And then you're also gonna get the walnut scrubber sponges, which I actually have these and I love them so much. I use them for my stove to get like the grime out of the stove in between the burners. So I love these little pads right here. And then you're gonna get a 16-ounce Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and you can change the scent too. So I know the spring peony scent has been really popular, so you absolutely could try out the new scent. And then also you're gonna get the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and again, you can go ahead and try their new scents out. And then you're also going to get a Mrs. Meyer's hand soap for free, and they're throwing in an additional freebie. So they're throwing in a 16-ounce glass spray bottle, so you can make your own cleaning products if you like to do essential oils. So all of that is free, but you have to spend $20. So what I did is I just added two things. So I added the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning set. So this comes with the baking soda. It also comes with the vinegar gel cleaner, and then it also comes with the multi-surface. So that's $12.50 for the 3 set. And then also I added in the Mrs. Meyer's soy candle, which is $9.99. And again, you can change whatever scent you want to go ahead and try. So all of those items in the cart, you can get whatever you want. Just make sure you get to $20. And then this is what your total is going to be. $22.49. So we started at $57.12, and then the discount is $34.63. So then after with tax and everything, it's going to be $22.49, and it's free shipping. So you get 60-day free shipping as well. So I think that this is a really hot deal for some Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, especially if you have been curious in trying them out. And by experience with Grove Collaborative, it takes them about two days to ship. So if you placed your order today, you would have it in time for Mother's Day. So even if you wanted just to, you know, get a few candles, because candles are great gifts for Mother's Day, then you can go ahead and get the Mrs. Meyer set completely free. So I just wanted to hop on here and share this deal with you guys because I think it is a really hot one. So again, I'll have that link below if you want to sign up to go ahead and snag that free Mrs. Meyer set. As well as the tray and the sponge, and then they're throwing in that bonus glass spray bottle. So I think that is a really great deal. So just trying to give you guys some ideas for Mother's Day. And I'm gonna have another video coming up later this afternoon, and there's gonna be a giveaway attached to it. So you definitely wanna tune in later on this afternoon so you can see what I am giving away, because it's gonna be a fun one. You don't wanna miss it. So I hope everyone's having a great Tuesday, and I will talk to everyone soon. Bye.